Jai Hind everyone. Just today we are going to discuss some misconception based on the geometry basis. जैसे first, two parallel lines never intersect each other. This is a very big common question कि is really two parallel lines never intersect each other? So yes, two parallel lines never intersect each other because there is some conditions of parallel lines if both the lines drawn in this position. So this is a parallel class, and obviously if this is a parallel, so they will not intersect each other. If these two lines are parallels, it will not intersect each other if it will be extended in both the direction endlessly. See, but yes, if there is a little inclination in one line, so it will intersect. Where it will intersect, it is not decided, na? Because we cannot represent the parallel line on plain paper because it goes endlessly to infinite. Second misconception, so class, in this parallel lines, yes, never intersect each other, but yes, this is depend upon the condition कि what is your parallel lines are exactly parallel or not. Sometimes the students are not making the parallel lines exactly, so that's why they are intersecting each other, but that is not correct parallel lines, that's why they are intersecting. But if you will draw the exact parallel lines, it will never intersect. So this was the first misconception, class. Our second misconception was a circle has how many diameters? So a student generally telling कि circle has one diameter which passes through the center of circle. So to clear this misconception, we can do some activities in the class based on circle and how to find its diameter. So I have taken a circular sheet, and if we want to find the diameter, so we can fold it according to its symmetrical line, class. See, when I fold this paper in this position, you can see the scratch. This scratch is passing through the center, class. So this is a 1 diameter. But yes, I can fold it in this position also. This is 1/4 of the circle. When I opened it, what happened? There are two scratches. One is this and one is this, class. See, both the scratches. So it means there are two diameters is possible in this circle. The student will say, yes sir, there are two diameters. But class, this circle has only two diameter. So just fold it third time. If we fold it third times, now see how many scratches are coming. So now open the circle. Yes, can you see? There are many scratches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 line of symmetry in this. So these 4 are diameter because all are passing through the center. So by this activity, a student must learn that a circle has more than one diameter. And generally circle has infinite diameters which passes through the center. The longest chord of circle is always passing through the center. So by this activity, a student will clear circle has infinite diameter. Third question was कि a rectangle has 4 line of symmetry, student said. Yes, a rectangle has how many line of symmetry? So 4 line of symmetry, they know well. But there is a misconception कि sometimes students, this is a rectangle, class. For line of symmetry, we will fold it, one fold and two fold. Yes. So we can see there are 1 and 2 line of symmetry in rectangle. One is like this and other is when we fold this paper in this position. But class, sometime students said कि we rectangle has diagonal line of symmetry also. What? Diagonally. When we fold it diagonally, then it is also symmetrical. So to reduce this misconception, to clear this misconception, we need to give the rectangular paper to different students and say कि fold it according to its diagonal. So now they will fold, but what happened? They will not get the line of symmetry which is passing through the 1 minute. If I fold it diagonally, class, can you see there is some extra part is visible this side also, no? And the line of symmetry is saying that ki both the part overlap each other. Here this is not overlapping, but yes, some conditions may these are congruent, these are overlapping, but when we rotate this triangle, clear? But here when I will fold it according to the diagonal, there is no line of symmetry. So rectangle has no line of symmetry according to diagonal, but rectangular has two line of symmetry. One is this and one is this. So 4 line of symmetry is totally wrong. This is a very big misconception. So to clear this 4 line of symmetry ka concept according to diagonal, student will understand कि yes, where they are doing the mistake. We can fold the rectangular paper only horizontal or vertical. So only 2 line of symmetry. And similarly, there are many activities through which we can reduce the maths ka misconception. So this is from my side. Okay. Jai Hind everyone.